Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today I am going to tell you about the latest update on Infibeam Avenue. Friends, we already given latest updates on this, which are giving services for geo platforms on payments and internet services and Bank of Doha and Bank of Muscat, and every update we are going to give you as latest. And now also we are going to give you the latest update on Infibeam Avenue, which is Infibeam Avenue demerges its two services into two entities, two frames by approval from NCLT for demerging of SME e-commerce services and marketplaces. Friends, Infibeam Avenue dividing into its frames Suvidha Infoserve Limited and DRC Systems India Limited. Without any additional costs, it will give these two shares to the shareholders of Infibeam Avenue. So friends, this is very good news, and if you have these company shares, you are lucky, and if you are still didn't have, you can try to buy on Monday. Why? Because without any cost they are giving additional shares of their separate entities, and we expect the revenue will increase coming years with the Infibeam Avenue service providing services for geo platforms and Bank of Doha and Bank of Muscat. Those two are top first and second banks in uh, Arab countries. So with this we can expect coming days the revenue will increase, and with this these two are separated and their businesses are also very good. Friends, DRC system offer cloud enterprise ERP solutions, friends, and customized softwares for e-commerce applications and web technology analysis, mobile technology analysis, including testing in several programming languages, and services across e-commerce, content management systems, payment processing systems. So friends, and the company is profitable and has operations in India, US, Germany, Netherlands and Middle East regions also. With this, it is looking very good company, DRC system, and looking forward the scope also very high for this DRC system. And coming to next one is Suvidha provides mail financial services to more than 40 million customers through both offline and online channels, and it will leverage its existing offline capabilities to scale the product business of Infibeam Avenue and focusing on niche product verticals with margin. So friends, by looking this, Suvidha providing good services on financial side, and it offers last mile logistics across the country. And looking forward, one of the main thing in Suvidha FinServe is Shapurji Palanji Mistry is an angel investor and owns minority stake in this Suvidha. Why I am mainly focusing this means after promoters who has the major shareholder in that company, they gonna be minority stakeholder like that, friends. This Shapurji Palanji is not a small simple persons. They are huge and they have huge investments in Tata Sons. And if you are following market, you already know Shapurji Palanji Mistry, who has a 18.6% stake in Tata Sons, and they are somewhat dealing the to get that to get equity shares in Tata Group's shares. That's the SP Group Mistry's backdrop, and they invested in this means you can thought of it. Okay, So friends, I can tell the ratio of allotments Suvidha shares. For every 1500 equity shares of Infibeam Avenue, you will get 197 equity shares of Suvidha, and for every 412 Infibeam Avenue shares, you will get one DRC equity share. So friends, by looking this, we can tell the revenue of DRC is very high compared to Suvidha. So friends, whatever revenue it will be, if you have the Infibeam Avenue shares in your hand, you will get these shares. So friends, on Monday, not Monday, Monday should be holiday, Tuesday, try to buy Infibeam Avenue share on Tuesday. I don't know if it will be upper circuit or if it will lower circuit. In any way, try to buy. To panic retail investors, it will went to upper circuit. Don't get panic. Don't get sell already holding shares. Buy more. Okay, it's very important, friends. Without any additional cost, they are providing some other companies stacks to you. So if they want to create panic, they will get that share to lower circuit and they will buy the more amount of shares in that. So be cautious and don't be panic. So friends, buy as more as possible, and the record date is December 11th. Up to December 11th, I think it will move to upper circuit. So present, I think it is around 80 rupees. So friends, by seeing this, you can expect after 11 only it will get selling pressure. Up to December 11 record date, it won't went to lower circuits or selling pressure, we cannot see there up to that. So friends, thank you very much for following my channel, subscribing my channel. If you like this, please share my channel, subscribe my channel, friends. Thank you.